Installing a humidity sensor sounds simple, right? But if it's not done right, you risk inaccurate readings, false alarm, and even product spoilage. Today, let's explore the best practices for reliable humidity sensors and installation. Location is everything. Avoid placing sensors nearby doors and windows, direct sunlight or heat sources, or even air vent or exhaust fans and water splash end zones. Instead, choose location with stable airflow that represent the actual ambient condition of the space. Mount the sensor at the breathing height, usually 1.5 meter to 2 meter above the floor. Use stable brackets or wall plates to avoid vibration. And if you are using duct type sensor, make sure the probe fully reaches the airstream. Use shielded cables to avoid electrical noise and keep sensor wiring away from high voltage lines for analog signals like 4 to 20 mA, and maintain proper grounding to prevent loop errors. In dusty or corrosive environments, use the filter caps or enclosures rated by IP65 or above, and always schedule periodic cleaning and calibration, especially in pharma, food, or storage applications. Remember, a good humidity sensor is only as good as its installation. Follow these steps and you will ensure accuracy and longer sensors life. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.